Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. If you love an everyday basic like I do, but also appreciate that touch of luxury and elegance, you're going to love this 100% cashmere sweater from EURKEA. So when I received this sweater, I thought to myself, how can I make this the most versatile piece in my wardrobe? Well, I decided to match it with other pieces I already own, and I was blown away by the amount of outfits I could create. So I wear this mostly with jeans. I feel it is a little bit more of a casual sweater. It looks super cute with a leather coat, but I also decided, let me try to match it with a skirt, and I love how it looks. You can definitely dress this sweater up and wear it with a skirt. I also wore it to the office with black dress pants, a little blazer. It looked so cute, and you could even dress the sweater down with, I wore it with linen joggers and a denim coat. So the options are just endless for this sweater. I was so impressed with how versatile it is. The quality is outstanding. It is in mint condition. I've worn it so many times, but it's maintained its original condition perfectly. It is so soft. It is so lightweight without being see-through. I wear it on its own a lot. I feel like it does give you that bit of warmth that you need, but you definitely don't feel overheated at all. But I also love the fact that I can layer with it. I can wear a button-down shirt underneath and it looks super cute. I'm wearing a size small, and I would feel like it fits fairly true to size. I'm 150 pounds, I'm 5'4", and I love that it isn't too tight, it isn't too restrictive, I can move in it. So I'm really impressed with the size. I just feel like this is such a high quality sweater. You'll be wearing it on a weekly basis, and the great thing is it's going to wear with you and it's going to maintain its beautiful condition. So I highly recommend this sweater, but that's just my point of view.